bloody hell, first. Oh, where's the bottom, bruv? Oh. Oh. Yeah. Lift up. Can't. Shit, yeah, bruv, that is close. Keep coming, keep coming. My bruv, just chill.
Look, we're full of that car.
Fuck. Is that mud bad?
Like a full view of that car.
What do you think? What was that, a dog over there?
There's a fox running around.
Fox, that's a fox then, yeah, look. See it?
Yeah.
That scared the shit out of me. I was like, bruv. I was like, is that dog gonna patrol again? Oh, you said this ain't his site, right? He ain't gonna come over if it's not his site. Alright guys, we'll come back
Let's walk that direction.
to climb the tower again to prove a point.
Walk towards that second Europa sign.
I reckon it's run across here, but fuck the Europa sign. Let's just run that way.
Right, and then just stand over here in the dark spot and watch and look at that car.
Yeah. Get that bag on, bruv. So early as well, isn't it? It's not even like it's late. Let's do this. Ready, Rob? Come this way, bruv. Let's go. Get down, stay down. Stay down. He still can see us, bruv, look. Stay behind, look. Oh, the shadows, bruv. We're gonna have to. I reckon we need to get down and just run across. Just stay with the shadows this side, look. Oh shit, he's gonna see me there. Oh, he ain't gonna see the shadows, bruv. Good. That's it. Oh. Let's get away from all this. Let's get in here. Oh, this is too bright, let's get in here quick. Look left. Wait, if we get seen, are we running?
Because we can make sure he ain't out. Moving.
Oh, we're standing here, let's move.
Can you see the holes blown out back?
Can we crawl in there, can we?
Yeah, but look, there's another one here in the dark.
Let's go then, bro, let's go. Guys, we're in quicksand. Today's I'm glad I'm like I'm Rob. Bruv, don't if it's too deep. Here, here. Guys, we're here. That's not fucking dynamite, is it?
That fence might just pull out. That's the dynamite.
Probably need to not sit here. Guys, we're here. Getting a night photo. Huh? We're gonna get caught. Do you reckon go up slowly, take our time? Oh, well, we've got 4 flights, so we chill a second. We either need to go up slowly like this, or we need to run. Rob, just run. Rob. Rob, go man. He's gonna see us, Rob. Stay with you, so like you look like one person. Stay together so we look like one person. Reach up your arm. Where is he? Can you see him? Guys, let's over there. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
We'll get up here.
But wait. We are fucking up here again. We're gonna get in trouble for this. Guys. Have you ever seen dynamite up close? This is dangerous as fuck. Bruv, have you... Oh, fuck off.
Plastic explosives.
You're holding... Rob, how much of a G do you feel?
Won't go over that, don't I?
Nah, let me hold some explosives.
Plastic bullets inside there.
That's crazy. How does that explode then? It's mental. So guys, floor 6 is where it's all going to go off. No, I reckon I'll just go with it. Brick in it. Guys, look. This is all going to go off. And I'm going to have to check every single bit. Guys, this is most probably the riskiest explore I've ever done. Second time I've been up here, but we ain't touching nothing. Honestly, we're just climbing it. Yeah, just for a picture, honestly, we ain't touching nothing. There is dynamite here, but we are not touching it. Right guys, we are on this, look. Explosive. It's harmless on its own though. Guys, floor 15. Let me show you. Look at that dust. Floor 15. This has got to be like 400 feet. We're at Coreyton level easy now, aren't we? Guys, look. Still got a fair way to go, but we said we were going to do it, and here we fucking are. We don't take L's. Oh, mate. I love this place. It's such an insane climb. Even when we got on the papers for it, it was... People think it's shit, but... Guys, at the end of the day, I don't give a fuck about the fame side of it. I just enjoy people seeing the stuff that I see. Oh, bruv. Right, Rob, let's do this. Rob, how are you feeling right now? Guys, just found one of my cards on floor 19. I think a base jumper saw this. Have a chat to. It might be the one. But yeah, got one more floor to go, guys. Well, I don't know, one more floor, then I think ladders. But might as well video just climb to the top. I'm pretty sure this hatch is unlocked, so there's no reason why they'd come and lock it. They've got no reason to. Who the fuck's gonna climb up here 20 floors to lock a hatch for no reason when I don't need to? Pardon me. Oh, guys. So as always, me and Rob killing it. But again, we couldn't bring Jade. It was too risky, you know. Especially with the dynamite there. I'm quite glad that, well, not dynamite, it's explosive explosive. I'm just quite glad I didn't bring Jade. But guys, look, here we are again. I can't wait. Let's do this. Alright, let's have a look at that hatch. Guys, these, it's us, 26th, Rob, 26th. Today, Rob, what's the date today, Rob?
December.
No, it's the 11th. Look, LFP zipline. That's not me. Oh wait,
I did that. There's a video on YouTube, isn't it?
Oh yeah, I remember. Craig Stone. Where's this? Samuel Biardi. You know him. Cheese. Right, let's set up and get up here. Guys, it's fucking open. We're so excited. We just had a drink, relaxed, took a few photos of there's a load of people up here, like load of names. But yeah. Oh, there's a bottle of water there. That's nice. Guys, we're going up. Let's do this. My sticker's still on the thing as well. I'm well happy. Yeah, look at it. Rob, do not let that shut though.
I've no light up there too.
Yeah, I know. Right, you're gonna wedge that open. What are you gonna do? Rob, are you gonna wedge it open?
Just kill your light once on the top.
Is it open? Hey,
Huh?
Is that open safe?
Yeah.
Is it? Guys, we're going up. How the fuck is that staying open? Right, guys.
And the wind's being shielded by the fucking chimney.
Hey, guys, for the second time ever, we are at the top of the tower. Look at this, guys. Unbelievable. That is a dark crossing. This is Mr. Rob. Can't say his last name because the police might come after him apparently. These are lights that were on. Look at the hatch, guys. Look. My sticker's still on there. Sick. I can't see anyone else down there, you know what I mean? No security, no nothing. It's weird. But yeah, guys, we wanted to get up here again. We said we were going to, and we have. We don't take L's. We know exactly what we're doing. Rob's so windy out here. Guys, honestly, the wind is painful. Shit. Guys, I'm standing over here because it's fucking cold. Yeah, Rob. Guys, we had body warmers earlier, and now I'm not wearing them. I'm freezing. Oi, bro. It's there's times like this you wish you bought a body warmer. Look at this, look at that sticker. Guys, this
still down there.
Don't know. Have a look. Hello, matey. How you doing down there? We're right about here, guys. You ain't gonna see him, not on this camera. But all I know is I have to chuck something home. Rob, please tell me you're gonna go up the top. Why?
It's black, isn't it?
Why is it muddy? No, that was like this before, I think. It's clean, man.
In the summer, remember?
Yeah. Hey guys, we've done this. Oh shit. Well, they did say there's weather. Guys, I'm gonna take a few photos. London skyline, you can't hear me. Let's get some photos. Well, there was always a way. Yo, Rob, look at this. This is what I'm calling. Yes, bruv. Hold on, wait a second. I have to zoom out. I'm going to do a night mode one, okay? Hopefully them trousers. Please be a good photo. Oh! A little bit blow from that light, but...
Can you take one on my phone?
Yeah.
It's on light mode. You obviously put it down back.
Frick. Yours just says hold still.
Huh?
That's not bad, bruv. Yeah. Yeah,
What else at 10 o'clock at night?
exactly. They do night mode on selfie. There we go, Rob.
Is that tower? Repeated it twice.
Please tell me this worked. No, Robbie moved. Do not move. Wait, I need to fucking put this hook on my fucking guy. Sorry. Are you ready? Round here.
Oh, it's like
No, bro, it's shit. It's a shit photo. Bro, fuck it, no matter. So guys, when you stand here, honestly, it's like being in the Bahamas. It's that hot. And when you come over here, it's so fucking windy, but I'm hiding behind Rob right now. Guys, we just completed Littlebrook part 2. Oh, guys, it's been sealed, there's Rob around it. Guess what? There's no Rob around it. Oh, guys, it's all been locked up, guys. Guess what? It ain't locked up because I'm stood on it, and today is 11th of December. We're the last people going to be up here because none of you pussies are getting up here. Right, guys, we just came up here to prove a point to everyone else that is like, oh, it's so difficult to get up here. Guys, if you have balls and you do not care about security, you'll do this. We got in nice and easy. We knew it was open. The stairs were all still here. Everything was still here. You guys that think you can't do it, a bunch of pussies. I ain't even joking. At the end of the day, don't come at me and tell me, oh, I'm a better explorer and you have done all these places. Yeah, I might have only been in the game a year and a half, but in the year and a half I've been here, I've been doing some sick locations, and this is one of them. And guess what, guys? In, well, in about 3 days. Wait, what day is it going? Sunday, innit?
Yeah.
So in about 4 days, big boom, it's gone. But yeah, guys, it's I'm gonna guess it's just trying this so you guys can see. Good old Rob. Rob's a legend. So from me and Rob, we smashed it. Yeah, we're cold. We'll catch you next one, guys. Peace. Guys, there may be a banner 705 feet in the air. Whoops daisy. Right then, that's it. Oh, fuck. Fuck me. I ain't climbing that no more, mate.